Hello children, how are you all? Great, very good. Children, come let us revise our previous strokes.
This is a standing line. This is a sleeping line. Today I will show you a new type of line, that is slanting line. Let us learn to draw slanting line. Now children, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a mountain. Now, how to draw slanting line? You have to go up, go up, go up, down to up. Now children, what is this? Boat. Very good. Again go up, then go down. Again go up, again go up. Now tell me children, what is this? This is a joker's cap. Understood? Now again go up. Now tell me, what is this? Leaf. Now again go up. Now what is this? This is a carrot. Again go up.
Today I will show you a new type of line, that is slanting line. Let's learn to draw slanting line. Now, can you tell me children, what is this? This is a pencil. Now we hold the pencil with 3 fingers. Okay? With a thumb. What is this? Thumb. With a index finger and with a middle finger. Okay? So we hold the pencil in a slanting way. Okay? See, this is a slanting line. Now it's time for Mama's work. Mama, please prepare the page for your child. First, write down the date over here. Okay? Then write down the heading. Start from the middle of the page. Capital cursive S, N, A, N, T, I, N, G, slanting, L, I, N, E, line. Like this. Go up. Okay? Parent, we will start from the box which is next to red line. The red line is the margin. We will start from here. Touch the lower line and make slanting line. Go up. Leave the square. Again touch the lower line and go up. Slanting line. Okay? Again leave the square. Touch the lower line and go up. Okay? Again leave the square. Touch the lower line and go up. Start from the middle of the square. Touch the lower line and go up. Slanting line. Now it's time for students. Take your pencil. Wait. Show me your pencil. It's blunt. Don't write with the blunt pencil. See the pencil. The point is blunt. It's blunt. Mama, please sharpen the pencil. See? This is a sharpened pencil. Always write with a sharpened pencil. Now children, take a sharpened pencil. Okay? Ready? Let's start. This is a square. What is this children? Square. Very good. From the center you will start. Touch the lower line and go up like this. This is a slanting line. Okay? Start from the middle of the box and go up like this, slanting line. Okay? Again start from the middle of the box and go up, slanting line. Okay? Again, start from the middle of the box, go up, slanting line. Okay? Is this line correct? No, it's wrong. It looks like a standing line. You have to slant the line like this. Okay? If you do like this, teacher will give you a wrong. So, start from the middle of the box and go up, slanting line. Again, start from the middle of the box, go up, slanting line. Again, start from the middle of the box, go up, slanting line. Children, you have to speak and write correctly. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Is this right? No, it's also wrong because you have not touched the lower line. Okay? Touch the lower line and then go up, slanting line. Touch the lower. So easy. This is known as slanting line. Write nicely. If you don't touch the lower line, teacher will give you a wrong. Very good. Now it's done. Now we all know how to draw slanting line. Okay, children? Practice these 2 pages. Okay? And do all the work neat and tidy. Teacher will check your work and give you a star. Bye-bye. See you. Have a nice day. Take care.